do at home. Okay? Ask your parents to get you a couple of chocolate bars, because guess what the best thing is? After you play with your chocolate, you can do what? I've been waiting. Excuse me, I got to hang it out. You can actually eat it. So this is actually real Hershey's chocolate. And this is very, very, very delicious. So I encourage you to go out and get your favorite. Because after you finish playing, very good. Let me finish chewing. Give me a moment to chew and enjoy and savor this flavor. Thank you all. Woo! Folks, I like lessons like this. Why? Because it uses all of your senses. Okay? When you do this, woo! Like the last one when I did the Twizzlers. I could smell the Twizzlers all in the room. Okay? Because it got in my senses now. Now all this chocolate going to help me memorize some of my multiplication facts. Try some more arrays. This time I'm going to grab 1, 2, 3, 4. So my array this time is 2 times 2 equals 4. I got 2 going up, 2 going across, 2 going up, 2 going across. Forget about math for a second. Look at the mosaic. When you create a picture using small pieces of stone, wood, tile, or glass, it's called a mosaic. Oh yeah. 2 times 2 equals 4. Two and 2 going this way. That gives us 4. All right, gonna add some more to this. 1, 2. So instead of 4, now I have 6. And it says 2 times 3 equals 6. While reading this book, think about your favorite type of art. Is it oil paints? What type of arithmetic is your favorite? It is multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division. Which one is your favorite? And of course, 2, 1, 2 times 1, 2, 3. 2 times 3 gives us what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 3 is 6. But guess what? 3 times 2 is 6. And we continue. Man, this is awesome being able to bring this book to life. It says 2 times 4 equals 8. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. On the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 4 times 2 is 8. Multiplication is a quick way to add equal numbers. 2 times 4 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. They both equal 8. The kids are covered with soot because it is fun but busy to draw with charcoal. Man, I'm excited. We're getting a math lesson and an art lesson all combined in one. This is a good book. All right, guess what I'm ready to do this time? I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to put my chocolate back in the pile. And this time I'm still going to use 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like this. And in this case right here, it's 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. And what's the opposite of that? 2 times 3 is also 6. It says 3 times 2 equals 6. Counting by 3 is the same as learning the 3's multiplication tables. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 26, not 26, 27, 30, and keep on counting while drawing with the markers.